There are many ways to gain experience and get the qualifications you need to become a tutor. In this video, we will take a closer look at some websites that offer free ebooks and resources on various subjects. This video is sponsored by Cudy. Cudy is Asia's largest platform for students, tutors, and coaches to match up for lessons. Sign up at Cudy today. 1. Cutie. Cutie offers a variety of subjects to tutor in. You can also get paid on Cutie Academics. The good news is, you can also read education articles, watch lesson videos, and work on practice tests. Cutie provides all the resources you need to become a better tutor. You can even watch the lessons on your mobile device, anywhere and anytime. 2. Amazon Kindle. Amazon offers a massive selection of free and paid ebooks to download. These ebooks can help you learn about subjects like English, math, science, and more. 3. Project Gutenberg. Project Gutenberg is a website that offers free ebooks in many languages. You can find ebooks on many subjects, including science, history, and English. So that concludes the video for today. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to Cutie to stay up to date with all the latest videos, and be sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thanks for watching.